Hopefully everyone's having a fantastic day. All right, let's go ahead and make some coins. Win some coins. Okay, here we go. So I like Dragon Richards. It's similar to the other Lightning Link machines. You need to get 3 of the dragon balls right there, or get 6 of those. And of course, with all other line hits, the big dragon is wild. Right there in the middle, you can see. Come on. So we're going to up our bet to and there we go. And let's start with well, that's not the best bonus for 200,000, but it's better than nothing. All right, back to the spins. Oops, almost. Come on. Okay. Of course, I've collected. I'll check it later. Once you reach a level, you get rewards. That's one thing I love about these Lightning Link games. Okay, I'm gonna do a 500,000 point bet. Two more would have been sweet. Look at those balls. These are $10 million. Well, 10 million point balls. There we go. I'm gonna go. Typically pops up on the next screen. Come with your friends. The more the merrier. Come on, let's show the people a bonus. Come on. Look at that ball. Oh. Look at that. Blocked. Come on. Do a couple more. And last one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that session of the Lightning Link Casino.